Welcome to the world of AliExpress. AliExpress is like a giant online marketplace. It's a place where you can find almost anything you can imagine, from clothes and electronics to home goods and toys. And the best part? It's known for its incredibly low prices. Millions of people around the world shop on AliExpress every day. Why? Because it connects shoppers directly with sellers, mostly from China. This means you're cutting out the middleman and getting the best possible price. Think of it like a global bazaar full of exciting finds. But with so much to choose from, it can be a little overwhelming for first-timers. That's where this guide comes in. We'll walk you through every step, making your AliExpress shopping experience a breeze. Before you start shopping, you need to create an account. It's free and easy to do. Just click on Register at the top of the AliExpress homepage. You can sign up using your email address or connect your Facebook, Google, or VK account. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing for products. The search bar at the top of the page is your best friend. Type in what you're looking for, like summer dresses or wireless headphones. AliExpress will show you thousands of results. To narrow down your search, use the filters on the left-hand side of the page. You can filter by price, color, size, brand, shipping options, and more. This way, you can find exactly what you want, without wasting time scrolling through irrelevant products. One of the best things about AliExpress is that you can often find the same product from multiple sellers. This gives you the power to compare prices and find the best deal. Don't just settle for the first listing you see. Before you click Buy Now, take a moment to check the seller's rating. You'll find this next to their store name. Look for sellers with high positive feedback ratings. 95% or above is a good sign. Reading reviews from other buyers is also crucial. They can give you valuable insights into the product's quality, the seller's reliability, and the accuracy of the product description. Did the item arrive on time? Was it as described? Were there any issues? Real customer experiences can guide your decision. Section 4. Checking out your cart. Once you've found the perfect product from a trustworthy seller, it's time to check out. Add the item to your cart. Double-check that you've selected the correct size, color, and quantity. Mistakes happen, so it's always best to be sure. Next, you'll need to enter your shipping address. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any delivery problems. AliExpress ships to most countries worldwide, making it a truly global marketplace. Now comes the payment part. AliExpress offers a variety of secure payment options, including major credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and even bank transfers. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. Enter your payment details, review your order one last time, and click Place Order. Congratulations! You've just made your first AliExpress purchase. Section 5. AliExpress, your gateway to global shopping. Shopping on AliExpress can be a fun and rewarding experience. With its vast selection, unbeatable prices, and convenient shopping platform, it's no wonder AliExpress has become a global phenomenon. Just remember to be a smart shopper. Take your time, compare prices, read reviews, and choose your sellers carefully. By following the tips and steps outlined in this guide, you can navigate the world of AliExpress with confidence. Happy shopping!